Smólach marmh sa chaoil, é searcha an scrablach. Bhíos sa déanamh trúada, nuair a tháinig Madrí de rúd is thugad ar rúthar fún, ag snappa, ag glama agus draunt orthu. Bhainse de tháinig liú bhéig gach bagart is buile crise, bhí na bhórcha adrin. Churig na bas na gurt is churidir leis an gcóir alta. Helucha is dalóga fríg isteach fendar a dawn. Cheas madra rua ar chumpa a chulin omlán rain. Chinias ar mo chosíocht, bhí cheire chrúb fún. I saw a thrush corpse shriveling on the woodland's scrabbly floor. I was busy pitying it when there came a harrying pack of strays that set about me. They bayed and snapped, growling, bare-toothed. From my throat such roaring, my every curse and foot swing made a bellow war between us. Fields of agitated cattle augmented that wild choir. Mice and shrew mice shrunk back into the oak-leaf brown interior as a fox reared up on a stony ridge, its stance utterly rigid. I remembered to run, felt the 4 paws under me.